Now to a developing story. Allegations of excessive force by the Union County Sheriff's Office. A lawsuit filed over this arrest caught on Dashcam video. The man's lawyer says deputies punched him, pepper sprayed him, and then tased him. The question tonight, did they go too far? WCNC Charlotte's Lana Harris asking an expert to analyze this video. She joins us now with the latest.
Yeah, and the video that we have was sent to us by Dustin Parrish's lawyers and only in clips. So the expert says that the full video is necessary to truly assess the officer's actions, but Parrish's lawyers believe that it does show excessive force.
There's a line that every law enforcement officer in this country must observe if we are to be safe.
And Bo Cottle believes that line was crossed when his client Dustin Parrish was arrested by Union County Sheriff's officers.
This was an excessive use of force.
Parrish was allegedly stopped on suspicion of violating a domestic violence protective order when he tried to run.
Mr. Parrish had a moment of panic. He reacted. He began to flee.
And former federal prosecutor M. Quentin Williams says that puts officers on edge.
Immediately that raises the officers' insecurity about the situation.
The next video appears to show an officer run in and punch Parrish on the ground, which Williams says is a handcuffing tactic.
They're diverting his attention by hitting him so that he concentrates on that and less on his hands.
But Cottle says Parrish was trying to comply at that point and alleged more attacks followed.
After they finally get off of him, tries to get on his knees, to place his hands behind his back, and at that point, the deputies deploy a taser, they deploy pepper spray, and then they tase him again.
Eventually, Cottle says Parrish was in fear of his life and tried to run a second time, so his legs were tied and a spit hood was placed over his head.
At the time that it was placed over his head, he had already been doused with pepper spray.
Dashcam audio captured Parrish telling officers he couldn't breathe as they placed him into the car.
I cannot breathe. Please take it off.
Williams says the officer's actions can't truly be judged without seeing the full video.
When the video is edited, you lose context sometimes.
The Union County Sheriff's Office says that they cannot comment on this matter because it is still pending litigation. The Parrish is seeking monetary damages. Lana Harris, WCNC Charlotte.